Hey guys, welcome back to Crop with Freething, where editing becomes easy. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to crop and resize video in CapCut. Whether you are editing picture, video, this video I will teach you exactly how you can do just that. How you can trim out unwanted spaces in your video and how you can make your image or picture more visible. So, if this is your best time visiting us, do it to hit that like button, subscribe, turn on post notification so you don't have to miss any of our videos, and do it to check our YouTube channel because we have created more videos in this platform all because of you. So if you are not watching them, who else will watch them? Please subscribe now and go and watch them. So for this tutorial, if you have CapCut in your phone, go down fine, but if you don't, head over to your Play Store or App Store and download CapCut because we are doing this right now. So enter your CapCut app. Just immediately you enter your CapCut app, you want to start a new project. But if you already have a project you are editing, good and fine, you can quickly tap on them and do your crop and resize. But if you are new to this tutorial, you can easily start a new project because that's what I will be doing over here. Because I would like to take you from the basic scratch. I would like to take you from how I imported the video. But if you're already good with editing and you just want to learn this particular things, good, is fine, you just do what you want. But for this, once you tap on start a new project, the next thing you want to select the project you want to edit. So let's say we want to edit this picture, this video over here. All you have to do is add the video to your timeline, and once the video is on your timeline, you can scroll all over it, and if you look this properly, is a video already edited. So if you say you want to crop and resize, all you have to do is tap on the clip on the timeline, the clip you want to resize, then you scroll over this down button over here. So while scrolling, you will see transform. All you have to do is tap on transform, and you can see rotate. This rotate is for you to turn your clip to any position you want. So if you want your clip to be on landscape mode, you can easily turn it this way, and all you have to do is just move it and it will fit in the frame, or just anyhow you want. And the next one we have here is and that's how you rotate. Then you leave it in the frame you imported it, so there will not be any confusion. So the next thing to do is a mirror. This mirror is to like bisect. If I'm facing here, you mirror me, the next thing you see me facing the other side. And if I'm facing here, the next thing you don't see me facing back. That's mirror. So if you look at the clip right now, you can see how it's being mirrored. So right now to use mirror, so I have undo mirror. Then the next thing you want to do, you want to resize. This is what we are talking about. Once you tap on resize, you can pick any aspect ratio you want for your video. You can select 9.6. this is for TikTok. You can select 16.9. this is for YouTube. Thumbnail, you can select 1.1. I don't really know where they use 1.1, but it depends on you. What are you editing for? So most of all this ratio, everybody with their own demand. It depends on where you want to use it. That's where you select the type of ratio you want to use. And if you use the wrong ratio and you know want to like, what will I do now, you can easily tap on reset and it will take you back to the beginning from the scratch. So you just have to select what you want to do carefully. So over here now, I want to teach you how you can resize. All you have to do is drag your clip. Either you want to drag it closer or you want to drag it in backward. Okay, but for this now, you cannot drag your clip backward. Like, you cannot increase it. So you cannot, like, for this you cannot make your clip like too close to the frame, unless you want to take it from this particular part. So you want to take it from this particular part and just do it something like this. But if you want to do resize, you can, in resize, that's where you can like zoom in your clip. You can zoom in your clip using a resize. but you cannot like do the other one I just showed you, which you can do on the timeline. So I'll just reset this, and that's how you can resize your video. Then the next thing I want to teach you is how you can crop your video. So if you want to crop your video, you tap on the timeline again. After tapping on the timeline, then you still move. When you move this way, I think you can find it at that the same place. You understand? That the same place you see transform over there. All you have to do is tap on transform again, and this time all you have to do is you just have to, okay, this time you also find it. If you want to crop your video, this time you just tap on any of all these edges and you move it. So if you want the video to be like shorter, or you just have to like resize it this way, or you move the downside, or you take it from the down. So that's how you resize. If I'm holding this properly, you can like take it from the down. Yes, you see what I just did? You can take it from the down, or you can take it from the up. That's how you resize. But if you want to resize to your own measurement, but if you want to resize to like, sorry, excuse me, if you want to resize to a well-known frame everybody use for their video, you can easily use the aspect ratio where I showed you, and the ratio for TikTok, ratio for YouTube thumbnail, all these ratio you can see here. That's how you crop and resize your video. So if this video help you, do it to hit that like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't have to miss any of our videos. This is Create with Freething. Don't forget, we post help on CapCut, on editing, on iPhone edit, how you can edit like a pro from beginners to pro. So do it to subscribe so you don't have to miss any of our videos. This is Create with Freething. See you on our next video. Bye, and please subscribe. Thank you. Eshe gone.